Hey guys, today we're talking about how to get free delivery on Trendyol. So guys, this is actually pretty easy. So first of all, we have this free shipping tab. You can press on it and you can see the general explanation is pretty much the terms, I guess, that apply on free shipping. And also you can see which shipping service will be in charge of delivering your items, depending on the country. After that, you go back, and guys, to find free shipping is actually not that hard at all. I'm actually quite surprised how many flash sales, how many discounts and promotion there is on Trendyol. I did not think that this service is akin to AliExpress or something, or what's that service name? Temu. So it's actually pretty easy. So for example, let us choose something from the list. So for example, these socks, right? So just click on it and let me see. So as you can see, this is the item that you can purchase, and we have the code applied. We have 50% discount, and as you can see, we have free shipping on the bottom left, labeled with this green text. So when you order this, you get free delivery. Also, let me see. So I guess there's a lot of items that have free delivery. As you can see, free delivery here on this. Then what else do we have? We have these pillows. Are they free too? Yeah, as you can see, free shipping as well. Free delivery. Let me see, some hoodie, also free delivery. So as you can see, you don't have to go far to find it. And a lot of items, almost all items that I'm scrolling now have some kind of discounts, which is crazy. That's great. So as you can see, guys, this is how it's done. You can save a lot of money with both discounts and also the free shipping on top. So enjoy Trendyol, enjoy purchasing. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.